As a YouTuber, you don't have the right to delete your videos after uploading it on your channel. I understand you felt like that video is not performing or the video is just too slow and you feel like deleting it or unlisting it. Of course, you don't have the right. Remember, in the first place, you are not creating video for yourself, as in like the video you uploaded on your channel is not because of you. You uploaded that video because you think or you feel like there are community in need of that information. So now, what make you think that because that video have refused to perform, maybe the first day or the second day, or even after 1 month, you now feel like deleting it is the best option? No. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things you should never do on your channel immediately you upload any video. Now, if you delete or you do any of these 5 things, it will not just affect your video visibility, but it will limit the growth of your what? Of your page or of your channel. In short, if care is not taken, you can be shadow banned. Because I've seen so many YouTubers. I understand you have 10,000 subscribers, and because of these 10,000 subscribers you have, you now post a video and that video is now having 20 views, and you now think because of shame you now feel like you want to delete or you want to unlist that video. No, that's not the best way to go. I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things you should never do, and then 5 things that will help you understand better what you should do next time you upload on your channel and that video is not performing well. And number one is your video link. Never use spam your video link within 24 hours, 48 hours, or even 72 hours. I understand whenever you post your video, you want to try all possible best to what? To optimize the video views, meaning you want to share the links. I understand, but never you do so within 24 hours to 72 hours. Allow YouTube or the algorithm to be the one to do what? To recommend or suggest your video. Remember, whenever you post any video here on YouTube, YouTube already know the right persons or the right people or audience to push that video to. So they want to take their time in pushing those video or recommending those video to them. So you now spamming the link on WhatsApp or any other social media platforms, and what those people does is that whenever they come to watch that video, they either watch it halfway or they will just drop a comment and go away. Now, this will send a negative signal to the algorithm that this video is not important. So I will advise you, you can only share your video link. In short, if it is possible, just let it be. Your audience can be the one to share it, okay? Maybe they love the video and they feel like, okay, sharing it, which is fine. But I will not advise you to share your video link at all. And if you're going to be doing it, let it be afterwards 72 hours. By then, the algorithm or YouTube is already recommending that video. And number two, avoid watching your video repeatedly with what? Inactive or a shadow ban account. What do I mean by inactive or a shadow ban account? There are some accounts that so many YouTubers create, and those accounts does not have history at all, meaning those accounts, you have not been using it to watch other people's content, you have not been using it to comment on other people's content. All you do is you only create this account to be watching only your own video. So those accounts are seen as what? Inactive accounts. What you are to do is to make sure that if at all you're going to be using those accounts to watch your own video, then also use that same account to be watching other people's video, commenting in other people's video. This will enable that account to have what? History. Now, history with other people and not just with your own content alone. Because I've seen so many of you, what you do immediately you post video, the next thing you do is you switch to the account you have created and you watch your video, you comment, you like, and then you drop it. That is wrong. So avoid using inactive or a shadow ban account, because doing that, the views will not count or you might even have issues with your video. So avoid doing that after posting your video. Rather, make sure that maybe you have brothers, you have sister that are already using their accounts to watch other people. You can tell them that you have just posted that they should go watch or stream your video. That's one of the best way you can go about it. So make sure that your account, I know many of you are guilty about it, that your account, make sure now you start using it to watch other people's channel. This will enable that channel to build history with others and not just with your channel alone. And number three, avoid changing title, thumbnails, or even description within 24 hours to 72 hours. I understand. You just feel like, no, this thumbnail is not okay, or this title is not okay, or this description is not okay, and you now rush to go and design another thumbnail, and then another ask ChatGPT for another description. Another no, don't see. I understand where you were coming from, like other platforms. When you post video, you expect that video to pick up immediately, but when it comes to YouTube algorithm, you need to give the video some time. That is the reason why sometimes we will tell you that before you publish your video, let that video be private or unlisted for like some hours, so that the algorithm will get to know where to push that video. Some people even unlist or private their video for 24 hours before even letting it into public. So I will advise you, don't change thumbnails yet. Don't change anything yet. See, what the algorithm is trying to do is that whenever you post a video, they are trying to match audience that are looking for that similar or for that content. So you now changing anything, you are confusing the algorithm. The algorithm will no longer know. It's just like you traveling to Lagos, and now you have gotten to maybe or your state, and somebody is now telling you that you should come back. So it means you have just messed up everything. So please avoid changing thumbnails, avoid changing titles and descriptions within a short period of time. That will cause, or that will confuse the algorithm. All right. And number 4, do not upload videos immediately. Now, YouTube is not like other platforms whereby you want to upload 5 videos in a day. No. See, you have to wait for every single videos to perform before you upload another video. In short, give it like 24 hours. Some people even do it once in a week or twice in a week. So if you feel like you have the energy, always post video. Like give yourself 24 hours before posting another video. Now, what you are trying to do is you are trying to give the previous videos to be able to pick up or perform well. If not, each others will be, I mean, if you're posting too often, the views will be what will be shared. So, and you wouldn't want that mistake whereby one is stealing from another views. For example, video you just posted 1 hour ago, and you don't post another one again. So both of them will be dragging views. So avoid posting videos too often. Give yourself an interval of what? Of 24 hours, especially if that video is a long form video here on YouTube. And our number 5, no matter what happened, never you delete any video from your channel unless it is the platform itself that bring down the video. That is the reason why, see, if you're going to be posting any video on your channel, understand the importance of that video or the essence of that video. Do not post a video and after posting it, you now feel like, oh, it is a mistake, and you now feel like bringing down that video. Don't do that. Or you now feel like this video is not giving you the views you desire and you now want to delete the video. Don't do that, okay? Doing that automatically will ruin or mess up everything. Sometimes the video you just uploaded, the information in it is not needed at that particular time, but in the future, people will be coming for that information. So you now deleting that video, you have ruined the chances of that video going viral in the future. So just let that video. It is normal. Yes, every creator have their up moments and down moments, meaning your videos cannot be going viral all the time, or your videos cannot be performing well all the time. That is why when you go to other people's channel, you will see they have viral videos and they have videos that are not going viral. That does not mean sometimes the video that goes viral are not even a video you expect. Okay. So just I've seen people that will tell you that when they posted that video, even within 1 month, the video was still in 100 views. But within 3 months, the video is almost is close to 1 million views. So you now deleting maybe after that 1 month, you don't feel like, oh no, you don't want that to be, maybe because you are looking for brand, you now go and delete it. You have just ruined your chances. So these are the 5 things you should never do and what you should do better. So in case the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up so that this video get to hit or reach more people. And if you want me to make any video, just go to comment section and tell me, sir, can you make a video on this? And I will do that for you. And before I go and watch this video. Maybe you're still looking for watch hour, or you're looking for subscriber. This video will actually help you better. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.